In this video, we are going to take a look at admin preferences. For that, come to admin preferences, you will have this window opened up. Under general, the first option we need to take a look at is starting day of the week. The first day of the week, I've selected it as Monday. For someone in the Middle East, they might have to change it to Saturday or Sunday. Another main setting that we need to take a look at is activity duration. The default duration for any activity, it is mentioned as 5 days. Let's keep it as that. But how it affect would be, just come back to our project for a second. If I click on this plus button to add an activity, the default duration that activity would receive is 5 days. Say, if I come to admin preferences again and I change it to 1 and add any activity, the default duration that activity would get is 1. Let's come back to admin preferences. Let's keep it to 5, how it was. Let's switch between them. Let's switch between this setting to know what we need to set up before we start working on a project. And the time periods, we have some information that we need to fill in. We'll take a detailed look at this once we are working on our project. Here you can see we have time periods abbreviations. I'm going to talk about that in a second. Another earned value, make sure you have all of this setting kept as default. Under industry, if you are a civil engineer or anyone working in the construction field, make sure you have this first setting ticked. If you read what is written over here, it says it will activate the terminology and default calculation setting in P6 based on the industry that we select. Under time periods, it says time period abbreviations. Now here we can see the abbreviation for each of the time period. Earlier, when we were under the user preferences and we saw this particular option which shows the D over here, this is actually coming from this admin preferences setting, because the day we denoting it as D, hours as H, and then we have minutes, weeks, month and year. Each of them have some abbreviation that has been mentioned in P6. You can change this, but my suggestion would be not to change, keep it as it is, just to avoid any confusion.